Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which countertop convection oven to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. Whether you're making cookies, bread or pizza at home, the appliance you'll need to use is an oven. But full-size convectional ovens are too large for some kitchens, and micro ovens don't spread heat very well. That's where countertop convection ovens come in. These ovens can cook faster and more evenly, all while taking up only minimal space in your kitchen's countertop. So in today's video, we're going to show you our top 5 countertop convection ovens that you can have in your kitchen. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The countertop convection ovens that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The countertop convection oven coming in at number 5 on our list is the Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven is a hefty convection oven that can prepare your delicious dishes in no time. Designed with turbo convection technology, this powerful 1500-watt oven reaches temperatures of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and helps to ensure faster and more consistent cooking. It has ample room for a whole chicken or 2 pizzas and even accommodate enough space for up to 18 slices of bread. The team also commends this countertop convection oven for its multitude of wonderful features, such as the defroster setting for thawing frozen meats, a 90-minute timer for cooking precision, and an auto shutter function for convenience and safety. Aside from this, the convection oven's digital display and preset buttons are quite intuitive to use, and you can operate the oven in one of 6 preset modes. It also comes with 2 racks, a baking pan, and an integrating broiling rack, so you can start cooking right away. Another thing the team was impressed with was this convection oven's multi-level cooking dual shelves, which are great for entertaining guests and holidays when you may have several cooking projects going on. Lastly, this convection oven uses as much as 50% less energy than most full-sized ovens, making this an impressively energy-efficient alternative. The Oster Extra Large Digital Countertop Convection Oven is a fantastic appliance that can bring an extra layer of convenience to your kitchen and lets you make delicious meals or snacks with ease. It also has an excellent alternative to your conventional oven for keeping the kitchen cooler and conserving energy. The countertop convection oven coming in at number 4 on our list is the COSORI AirFryer Toaster Oven Combo. The COSORI AirFryer Toaster Oven Combo is a countertop convection oven that boasts a large capacity and lets you cook various foods. The team was impressed with this oven's offering of 12 different functions. Air fryer, bake, and rotisserie modes are the most useful ones, and preset functions for dehydrating, fermenting, toasting, cookies, pizzas, and bagels are available for use as well. It offers 25 liters of storage capable of fitting a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of bread. It's got 3 rack positions that provide enough space to cook for your entire family. Another small but helpful feature that the team found was the label markings on the door indicating where everything should go based on function, allowing no more guesswork or glancing at the instruction book for reference. With this, we think you'll be sure to know all the several positions the different trays and baskets can go inside the oven for maximizing cooking space and time. The team does have one tip for people planning on purchasing this convection oven. Regardless of the function used, if you're cooking anything greasy, place a small pan on the bottom to catch any drippings. The crumb tray isn't sturdy enough for this task. Despite that, the COSORI AirFryer Toaster Oven Combo is an excellent countertop convection oven that will inspire you to prepare tasty meals for yourself and your family. We recommend this to families for everyday use and anyone doing a kitchen renovation that limits access to an oven. The countertop convection oven coming in at number 3 on our list is the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360. The Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 is a beautiful, multifunctional cooking appliance with 12 preset cooking functions, doing justice to the name all-in-one cooking machine. While it may be called an air fryer, this countertop oven does way more than its name suggests. This unit functions as a convection oven, rotisserie, food dehydrator, toaster, food warmer, slow cooker, and pizza maker. With its sturdy and sleek stainless steel construction, this appliance will complement your kitchen and surrounding accessories without a doubt. This is an all-in-one air fryer and oven unit that also provides long-lasting versatility and boasts a whopping 930 cubic inch capacity inside. This appliance also includes a crisper tray, rotisserie spit, pizza rack, baking pan, drip tray, and cookbook with recipes written by Emeril himself. The team was delighted to find this pretty easy to use despite the appliance's 12 functionalities. The team notes that the LCD control panel is easy to read and operate, so starting the cooking process is a breeze. It even has guide markings on the door, so you always know which rack height to use for different cooking functions. Another convenience factor this appliance provides is the bright interior light, which allows you to monitor food accurately and check for doneness. Aside from this, the appliance also remembers your last preset cooking time and temperature, so you won't have to keep on turning knobs every time you cook. Lastly, the team was impressed with the 90-day money-back guarantee deal for this appliance, so you can be sure to try out without a single worry. If you're still on the fence about whether Emeril Lagasse's AirFryer 360 deserves a place in your kitchen, the team thinks it's a beautiful all-in-one unit and earns our recommendation for the top 3 spot on our list. The countertop oven coming in at number 2 on our list is the Breville Smart Oven 1800 watt convection toaster oven. The Breville convection toaster oven is a versatile countertop oven with 9 cooking functions to cook your food to perfection. It offers a smart element IQ technology that spreads heat intelligently and evenly so that the foods will taste delicious, and you'll get the perfect results every time. This technology transfers and adjusts heat settings across 5 quartz heating elements to maintain an even temperature throughout the oven. Of course, it's supported by a built-in fan that adds convection to the already effective elements. The combination results in fast, even cooking in its 6-slice interior. We also love this oven's interior light that automatically turns on upon opening the door and at every end of the cooking cycle to help you see inside. Aside from this, your set customized settings will remain in the oven's memory until charged or until the appliance is unplugged from the wall outlet, streamlining your cooking process. The team was also delighted with this convection oven's large 18.5 by 15.7 by 11.1 inch interior, which is enough room for 6 slices of bread, a 6-cup muffin tray, and a 13-inch pizza. The walls on the inside of this convection oven also features a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. It also includes a 12 by 12 inch enamel baking pan, 12 by 12 inch enamel broiling rack, and a 13-inch non-stick pizza pan. The team recommends the Breville Smart Oven for the home cook who needs a convection countertop oven with high performance and versatility. With its 1-year limited product warranty, we think it's an incredibly attractive product that anyone should consider adding to their kitchen arsenal. And finally, we come to the number 1 countertop convection oven on our list, the Cuisinart TOA 60 Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer. Spice up everything with this Cuisinart Oven Air Fryer, which is a convenient and functional countertop oven that helps you prepare dishes effortlessly. With a 60-minute timer and a handy auto shutter feature, the Cuisinart TOA 60 Convection Toaster Oven Air Fryer makes accidentally burning food a thing of the past. It gives you the benefit of a convection oven, like baking, broiling, warming, and toasting, with the added benefit of air frying. The team was impressed with this oven's spacious capacity, capable of toasting 6 slices of bread, air frying 3 pounds of chicken wings, baking a 12-inch pizza, or roasting a 4-pound chicken. It offers 7 different cooking features: air fry, convection bake, convection broil, bake, broil, warm, and toast. So you are sure to be able to use this for any occasion. With this powerful 1800 watt oven, this appliance will help you make perfectly cooked meals every single time. It comes with an embedded light that allows you to see your meal's progress, so you don't need to open up the oven to inspect the food. This model also has a useful toast shade selector that browns the bread just the way you like it. Lastly, all the purchases of this oven are sure to be worry-free, since purchasing this oven automatically gives you a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. The Cuisinart Oven Air Fryer is a great countertop oven for your kitchen to prepare tasty dishes effortlessly. With the security of its 3-year manufacturer warranty, at the time of making this video, we think this countertop convection oven deserves a top recommendation on our top 5 list. And there you have it, folks, the 5 countertop convection ovens which got our team in the kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next countertop convection oven roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.